Guys, so soldiers here, birds, squirrels, jogging guys. So today, guys, it's night now. So you know, guys, it's night now.
I might undo.
Guys,
What did you say?
so this is super beautiful. This is my room, guys.
You see me, bro?
You cannot see anywhere. Yeah, you cannot see. You cannot see there too. I'm joking. Oh my god. So today's night now. And you know, guys, I'm done eating. So
Why?
just wait for me in there.
Why?
Just wait.
Why?
Just wait.
Apay?
Not
Kawang kadwa?
fun.
Ay, alin kayo
So,
na?
wait. I was just gonna drink some water, guys. Drink water. Yummy my tummy. And I'm just gonna go there back. Hello. Hi again. Guys, so this is my, I think, my cousin, because he said it's hot in the living room, so he come here. Yeah, don't think about that one. Don't, guys. So don't think the falling down. Oh no. Okay. So guys, I have this. I have this, and it's super beautiful.
What
Guys,
did you
buy it.
say? What did you say?
Buy it, guys. I love it.
What did you say? What
May-
did you say?
Maybe I will gonna bring at Baguio.
What?
I will gonna bring this at Baguio.
Why you gonna bring it? It's bad.
It's good.
I'm telling your mom.
Why?
You're not
I love it.
allowed.
What allowed? I'm allowed. Guys, click and subscribe if that's I'm allowed.
Yeah.
Right? It's I'm allowed. What's this?
Yeah, like and subscribe. This is beautiful.
Yeah. I buy it this and I love it.
Man, that's... Hanga, dito ti bagbagak mo.
Girl, I love it.
Feels so good. So masaya.
And I love this, guys. Girl, guy, look. This is super boring. Hey, you, what's that?
I
Your
see
boobies.
someone.
Ew.
The kitchen.
Ew.
I'm leaving his table.
Gang, gang.
And put it in here. I put it in here. Yeah. This is gonna be kitchen. Saya ang isang control.
Oh my god. The tree is super beautiful. I love that girl. The last one. Ta-da! So I'm done now, guys.
Ang isang control ko.
I love this, guys. This is Ew.
feel so
Okay.
And then, just like I read last time. What? Why? Four.
Guys, if this is a
I'm freaking out!
well, that's scared me, guys.
Yeah, I'm freaking out. This is game.
What game?
This, my game. I'm freaking out.
Tokoboka?
No, this is not Tobo. It feels like Tobo. No!
Look.
What you saying?
Guys, this is not Tokoboka. Guys, download that one. It's fun. Yes, but it's not Tokoboka, right?
Yeah.
That's super fun. But my brother is, my cousin brother is freaking out of that game. Oh man. So that's it, guys. Bye. See you next time. That's so super fast.